Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're out in the shop again today and we just finished making a video about removing the front of the car, the bumper, to access headlights or anything that you may need access to. I'm going to take this as an opportunity to clean the air intake and make sure there's no debris inside of it, since that's something that should be done on a Smart that you're not real familiar with that you've acquired, if it's gotten leaves or other debris in the drains in there. But to see how we got to this point, check out the other video about front bumper removal, and then we will go from this point forward right here. So what we're going to be doing is gaining access right into this box here. There's a drain in behind it right about here. We want to make sure there's nothing in there and no other debris in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the bolts here, and then going around on both sides, the bolts on there. And this piece is already loose over on the side. So we'll go ahead and remove those bolts first. Once you've gotten all those bolts out, you'll want to finagle this little opening here up around the windshield wipers to get access and slide this cover up a little bit. Then we'll look inside of here. There it is with the piece removed. You can see all this debris that's right along in here. There's the drain right down in there that's all clogged up. So we'll go ahead and hit this with a shop vac and then take this piece out here and also check up along here. There's some more debris over there, and make sure everything's clean. To put it all back together, just the reverse of that process and put all the bolts in. The hardest part of this whole process is these little keepers that go above the windshield wipers, and you kind of have to fight them in there to start with, similar to that, and then pop the piece up underneath it. Just do them one at a time. It's all pretty flexible, so it works out pretty well. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.